Here, lesson 13.9, choose appropriate graphs. Okay, there are different types of graph: histogram, okay, box and whisker plots, bar graph, circle graph, and line graph. In this question, as you can see, question 2, here we have got data, the years first, second, third, and fourth, 14, 18, 7, and 23. Right here, we will use bar graph, okay, and you can see that the data set compares the amount of snow. Next one, here we have given a percentage. Why Americans exercise? To stay healthy, 65%, to look good, 7%, to lose weight, 18%, and to have fun, 10%. So what do you think? What type of graph we will use?
Uh, what was it called? Wait. A box and whisker.
No, the percentage, as I showed you before, here,
Circle.
yes, circle graph. Circle graph. Okay, you can say that the data set uses percentages. Data
The data
set
show set
uses,
compares the amount of the percent of the Americans exercise.
okay, you can say like this also, the percent of American
Mm,
size or the American people.
yeah.
Okay, or the data set uses percentages of exercise in America. The data set uses percentages or the hours of a population. Population. Next one, motion picture. Okay, receipts in billions of dollars. Here we have got two data and we have studied a lesson like this.
Yeah.
We have three values. So what do you think? What type of data?
Uh, line graph.
Multiple line, not only line, multiple line graphs.
How?
Hmm? Because here are,
What's a multiple?
huh? If you
What's a
remember,
multiple line?
yeah, I just show you. Wait a minute. What a
Okay.
multiple line graph. If you remember, we had studied like this one graph, different types of lines, multiple lines. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So right here, multiple lines or multiple line graph. Okay. And you can say that the data set shows changes over time of two items.
Mhm.
The data set shows changes over time for two items. Like this type of data you have also studied.
Mm.
Okay. These are found
It's
ants.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, which one will you use for this type of data?
What is it called? Histogram.
Histogram. Does it show
Yeah.
the ranges? No.
It doesn't have a range. So a box.
Yes, a box and whisker. Very good. A box and whisker plot will show the distribution. Distribution. Or you can say that also stem and leaf. Remember stem and leaf?
Yeah.
Stem and leaf. Leaf plot. Next one. Here in this data, it shows a frequency, and when it shows a frequency, it means we can use histogram.
No.
Histogram. You can say that a histogram will show the range of data. Next page, it's also the same, I think. Here, they have given you a question statement, and you will have to understand that, and we'll tell that what type of data will you use. Identify the type of graph that will best illustrate the data for each situation.
What's this page?
Next page.
I opened 2 pages.
Why?
Hold on.
Okay. Now your family budget for 1 month. Okay. If you have a family budget, okay, you have to pay bills, rent, and utilities and other things. What type of graph will you use to try to understand the most appropriate?
Bar graph.
Bar graph or circle graph with the percentage.
Okay.
Circle graph. Circle graph. You can say that the cost of each item can be seen. Next one. The age categories of visitors to an amusement park during 1 month. The ages shows ranges. When it's ranges shows frequency, so you can say that histogram. A histogram will show the range of the data. Well, range of the ages, I think it's better, right? Here is the range of, okay.
Okay.
Ages, A-G-E-S, ages. of visitors. The number of each type of fruit tree planted in an orchard. Circle graph.
It will be a circle graph.
Circle graph. Okay. Each item can be seen in relation to the whole. You can say that. Each fruit can be seen in relation to the whole. The trend in hours of listening to music by your class during the school year. Line graph.
Yeah, line graph.
You can say that a line graph shows how listening hours will change over time. Next one, the most popular TV show of your classmates. Bar graph.
Yeah.
Okay, the number of visitors to an aquarium each month for 1 year. Line graph. Okay, the water level variation of each tank for 1 week. Line graph.
A line graph.
Yeah. The cost for each month to maintain all aquarium tanks.
Circle graph.
The cost for each month to maintain circle graph and
Line graph.
no,
Bar graph.
yes, bar graph. Or bar graph. Okay.
Okay.